Hey everybody, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. I just wanted to come in real quick today and give everybody a quick extra shot of motivation as we move into the extended Thanksgiving holiday weekend. This is one of the biggest shopping weekends of the year. We have Black Friday and then we have Cyber Monday. I hope everyone is running sales this weekend in their stores. We have a 25% off in ours set from tonight through Friday night, and then we're going to do 30% off through Cyber Monday. So I would suggest, if you haven't done it already, go in and set up some sales. You don't have to actually have percentages off. You guys could do buy $25 and get 10% off, buy 3 get 1 free, whatever you want to do. But I would absolutely 100% suggest everybody get some sales in their stores. Yes, Black Friday is about the big box stores, but there are a lot of people that do not like to go out on Black Friday and prefer to stay in and shop online. A lot of the big box stores have sales online on Black Friday, and of course, Saturday is Small Business Saturday. We are all small businesses, right? So we have Small Business Saturday, and then Cyber Monday is actually about shopping online. So everyone get in, get some sales set up, make some money. This is going to be like a stellar weekend for all of us. I can just feel it. I just feel like we're all going to do really well. It is one of the biggest shopping weekends of the year. So I wanted to mention that, and then I just wanted to give everyone a reminder to not forget about your business while you're spending time with your family and friends. This is the time of year from tomorrow, Thanksgiving, through the New Year, where many of us are having extra gatherings, parties with coworkers, with friends, with family. We're having get-togethers, and we're more social, and we're out of the house more often than we are the rest of the year. And that is wonderful, and that is great. The holiday season is the time for your family and your friends. And we can take more time off, being that we're our own bosses. But just keep in mind, the reason we have so much freedom is because we are our own bosses, and there are businesses that we need to tend to. So while you're out having all the extra time with family and friends, just don't let your businesses go. I'm not saying everybody has to work like a mule horse during the holiday season, because it is the time that we want to take off with friends and family, but don't forget your businesses. Don't let it go to the wayside. If you're going to take off a whole weekend, like if you wanted to take off tomorrow through Monday, set your sales up, make sure you got your extended handling time in there, put your store on vacation mode if you need to. And then as we move into Christmas again, don't forget to extend your handling times if you're going to need extra time to ship. Don't forget to be active every day. Even if you can only list 2 things a day because you're super busy, be active every single day. List something. Do something. Keep your businesses thriving. Keep your stores alive. Wake up Cassini every day with some activity. If you're on Posh, make sure you're still sharing your closet and putting new items in there. It is okay to take days off, obviously. Nobody wants to work 7 days a week, and nobody wants to work on holidays. I'm not saying it's not okay to take days off. I'm saying 100% take the days off and enjoy them. And remember, you have this freedom because you guys all built your businesses up to have extra money, to have extra time, to have the freedoms that you have. But just don't let your stores go. And I want to stress again the handling time, because I don't want to see anybody get hit with defects or have bad ramifications because you're not, if you had same day shipping and you need to move it to the next day or even 2 days during the holiday season when we're all a little bit busier. Just keep that in mind, and stay active. Keep motivated. Moving into the new year, we want to keep that momentum of Q4. A lot of people in January, especially January, but into February, have money and gift cards that they received for Christmas that they are going to come online and spend. So you want to keep that momentum going from now through the new year that you had in October, the Q4 momentum. You want to keep it in through January so your sales stay up. You don't want to let things go and kind of have your store dwindle off. So take whatever time you need to be with your families, your loved ones, your friends, but don't let your businesses suffer. Stay motivated. Remember why you started your own business. Remember why you became your own boss. Remember why you have all this extra time and money, and keep it going. Stay motivated. If you see a lot of extra sales coming in, don't let that be the reason you slack off and don't list as much. You're seeing the extra sales because this is the holiday season. This is Q4. This is when people are shopping, but you want to keep listing as well. You want to keep your stores active so that after Christmas, you don't tank. That being said, I want to wish everyone a very happy Thanksgiving from our home to yours. Keith and I appreciate every single one of you. We thank you. We are thankful for you. Being Thanksgiving, we are thankful for all of our viewers. We thank you for watching the videos, for taking the time to comment on them, for taking the time out of your lives once a week to spend an hour with me in a live show. Without you guys, there would be no Flipping Hippos, so I wanted everyone to just hear that from me today and know that we are very thankful every day for each and every one of you. Have a very happy Thanksgiving. Have a safe weekend. If you're going out on Black Friday, please be safe. There's no merchandise in this world that is worth you getting hurt. Have a safe and happy weekend. And may the cha-chings be ever in your favor. I hope everyone has wonderful sales this weekend as well. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I love you guys. See you next time.